Dan Asamoah twi. Where do I meet you meet that twi. Abodi do afra wa twi. Hey abushafo. Dem wa kwa ba too much GH. Me say subscribe na share. My comment Emra. My name has always remained Obo for Michael. Me say share my bontia. From your face hanana. Meje so. Nene. And someone. Ye de be kaka yo. Nanu ye. Just recently. And na ye ma me Cecilia Mafo. Prophetess. Oni Joyce Blessing semba ye. Ko for kan sembebre. Me ba ha be chechire wo mu. De wo se wo kan. Nene. Anita, Arrésted. Nyame shiraw. Anita, me hu so oso ye prophetess a. Nyame nwosra ewo so. Nyame shiraw. Na answer ye be call nensam no so ankasa no. Me shiraw. Ye di nkrasesem segment no ebro. And then nkrasesem segment ni say COVID-19 ewo ho. COVID-19 yare no ewo ho. Ebe ye nkurasesem se yese hye no smax na won hye eye nkurasesem tie ni yie yese hye ne fa ko ba bia opese wo ko bia twon firi nipa ho sa semwe se wo so ntia eye nkurasesem ma the new normal ne se wo na ba bia wo fro car ba bia wo bia no hwe no smax na ma hand sanitizer no ensu de bia ba bia wo bia na mami twa me hu sima me koba ye de enne ensem no ye be wa betudwa good ye samu akwa ba bio eba too much GH me so subscribe na share na share enne me say enne na mati Kristo so ma si yie enne mati Kristo so no ene na mate ase yi Anita o say Afriyie nyame nhyiraw Anita nyame nhyira ene me de maw eye sonko me hu say wo ye true believer wo ka no kore nyame esa wo so wo mu a Ghana ha mutie ni yiye ya wo ma bi wo anwumtufuo nim aya gospel music nim a se so mbe so mutikuo tie ni ye o mutikuo Joyce Blessing asam ne ba ye no tie ni ye wo mu a music industry nim no titiri gospel music no o ma jeja o mu kuru no mo wo sankrofo no mom na aba ebe twe dare na kromu a nipa nyimi ye kai niema wo mo mejeja wo mu kunu num no se ye wo gospel divorce association e wo ho so ni mu a me kai wo sankrofo no wo Asamoah evangelist me kai me na me tie wo pa e wo Light FM kuma se Light FM na me tie ono pa bia oba no aba be yemoni devotion na de preach yamba u preach wo ka mu nyina urafi hu tama na nwosra no wo se nwosra wo so no urafi hu you call yourself evangelist utimi ba the camera be si wanim say hum na urafi say obi a spiritual you can't deal with that person physically than Asamoah urafi hu oh Anita and someone or they are good for mama. You see here, if you say one, we need to have a discerning spirit. I was saying a word discerning spirit. Yama Miss Cecilia Mafo. Or your prophetess. No two ways about it. Or your prophetess. Of course, rubber form. Or your prophetess. na tie mame kai wasem bi obi a wo spiritual leader bia irrespective of spirit called the adwuma irrespective of spirit or the adwuma I'm telling you or your spiritual leader you can't joke about that person. You can't joke about that person. On say Asamoah ni pasema ba umunti. Utimi di tu ho say wona president be tonyum a be kasa sorry president be kasa wona di kan tonyum e ma president kasa. Look at this which is a way a carnal person Asamoah why a carnal person now I just don't want to give them audience because some microphone they are not spiritual people. What the evangelists and also it's ka wo de unim tranim at honhom numadi utidi you understand it's be who video no be decide say me video just to give you an audience na me hwe say gospel music ni mu ni obi asabi honhom konkron won so a wo discerning spirit asabi mpredua sa wo sa wo fie nyansa no be kan say me say who you say Anita Trinity pain. So let me give it to you. Also go say on your program last year Unity Oil program na wakoto the week so hunu and somebody abro am meet level na wiase no asantifo de bu baby so you of one sir no show de ni ko se fo no ne sane ene nipa de enese na sa wo mo ma ye wo ho se wo mo no de ya gya ye kunu ya te association ya de ho ya ma ena ya gya ye kunu ya de ye te ase eti support Joyce blessing right Joyce money now I'm telling you money now be pianoi I'm telling you when it comes to issues related to marriage one more on these same people stand somewhere no ma can say more enim man nya say o mo pe wasem they are bringing you down nyame enkom sheba it takes knowledgeable people to dissect nkom she no tina se na twire ho say opon de wukunu aye wo nyina no eto no usan ye no wanya de papa bia ma oda na wanya de papa bia ma oda na Asamoah Yamame prophetess Cecilia Mafo enam nyame so e ma ne di betu dwa no one kasa Joyce one kasa at the back of your mind what were you interpreting a man crofo entutum semu waso na san crofo ne de omo do ma gia tum se omo na join association omo no mo kunu no magai eto omo no meka bia ma they are sending you to hell. I'm telling you today. I am telling you today. Omo gi asem no ato omo ho so no say ye ka bia ma ye nua ba Joyce blessing. They are all evils. I'm telling you. Omunya ye evils upon some God and omunya adwuma. They are not ministers of God. I'm telling you today. So what one wo hwamia. Fa say Joyce blessing. Akọ wo sorry. Say sorry. So obi a dicknesses. And now say obi a leading singer e wo sorry. Na se bi pedu asa wa worry na so oni ni kunu jaya bisan ho bi no mienu ye bisa ye ho se nipa no asori ni ma no ho kwan se wotimi so microphone mu tonyi mu asori wa na ask yourself bisan ho asabi ye nya dwedwentwefo a wo mu no eti enya dwuma they don't know the word of God what was say obi use familiar spirit. What was obi use familiar spirit? It is so you obi sa obi monasu. Sasem we was a police chow. I'm telling you. You are inciting people. You are inciting people to pounce on somebody. What's like a police chow? What dine Asamoah? I'm telling you. I also would tell Yamenyum to. Would tell Yamenyum to. Also a minister of God. Who could not platform so your politics? What dine Asamoah? Who can who say people should still recognize you as evangelist? It's a shame. It's a shame. The trend that Ghana, ye follow no. It's high time the clergy should come out. The clergy, I'm calling upon the clergy to come out. No more yen tinye me biasi. Say yes, sir, people will ridicule God. And conform a king kwasiasam a chen yankopon. A brand yankopon ye adwuma. And I'm telling you, those people are moved from clergy, no. Muna more room for all these things. Christoni to me, so I know I can't tell you Christoni. Christoni, we call ourselves Christians in this country. No, be a Canadian more than training you. No, the Spirit of God. Even if it's not the Spirit of God, now the Spirit of Satan. And now Baniswa. Can you say, well, a spirit commander? If you believe in spirit, now we need the sunsum, a yamanipa. Can you metina ho me condemn that? Because Nyankopon ya som no. What you mean man Nyankopon? Let's understand this. You can't think for God. This will be our carnal person. Carnal. Obia ni pasam. Ewura mu ni pasam Jimmy. Ewura mu. Na betimi adwama nyame. Senye sa na se ye betimi adwama nyame a the clergy should come out. No mumra. No me kan kire say this is how God does his things. Ni ehun se format ne wo ho. Yakopon format nie. O se nkoma se ne se nkom no. Ni ehunu nyame a yesom no. Other than that, nobody should come out and condemn things. Moreover, people are just inciting things. And I just blessing a show microphone more. And now you take microphone free in them. And then comes and buy. It's a lie. Those people are almost propagating animal. I don't know the agenda behind all these things. But one thing you need to know, they say, Joyce Blessing sang that day for about 23 minutes. For about 23 minutes, getting to 25 minutes. She ministered what she was supposed to do. Echoed the latter part of the performance, you know. And then comes and buy. Or no now comes and buy no so no. What is what about Bontia Bekasa? Mona, mo jama wadie no. Mona sebi mpedu Asamoah mompa yan from wadie ho. Ah sebi mpedu Asamoah nsem hunu. Eni amafo amaye amawadie gunti. You come out and support this. It's uja wukunu no. Me I just don't want to mention names to give you credit. You know yourself when you say what jawa de. Dana Asamoah so worry. It's ye ka worry for Asamoah. Ultimate nkabi. O dana Asamoah. Don't worry. You can't worry for Asamoah. Ultimate nkabi. You are not part of it. You can't say what you don't know anything here. Oh dear. They tell me get this video no. Because you can't. Say what Dana Asamoah, you are an evangelist. So you know vividly what God can do. When it comes to in terms of spirit. You know. And I would love say, and can walk around all the cameras when a video no. You should have advised Joyce Blessing say, Joyce, me worry yo. Me worry nyame. Na me de minim ni say awariye Kristo mu no so ba onya hu kani a eye eboa wo enye abrekwa pa wo ni ma we de oni ni wo ma miensa Matimu nyo the Joyce. Don't be glad. Don't be glad. Bonsam. Obe yo yodium. Ho me jawa de. Betimi ade me ho. Mena na ka asem bi kire me. Afie sa Yakobon fa kransi yi. Oso oba ti awade sia no ho fa no. Oba ti awade sia no ho fa. Peme bi obo bia pew. Because the glory in marriage atọso eto obi ehu a wonim se wo ye oba ye di ukofie wo ye oba ye wadew eto ba bia wo ye oba warefo bia ho fe se oja ware no de he ye be do bingo mena me ware oba ware ejai mena me ware oba ware ejai. It takes few people. So when you move, make out your seminal. Until some will bet me a warino. This all cool, 2 pack or 2 cool drew. Cofa, a cool drew man and no uncle. And not yet, what whole question to me worry you. That's also a Christoni bar. Not a Christosomasia. To who saying, don't get into any gospel platform so called minister. And yes, sir, ni pasam na oye. You are just a singer. There is no spirituality behind here today. I'm telling you. We need to tell you point blank. Mo ase bi pray dia samo se mo ye gospel musicians na. Mo ye carnal minded. Ni pasam ewura mu. A mo kotonwom wo nyame fie a mo twabi, mo bronsa, ebi mo Shepa asano makotoni munya nyame tutua muka 11. I'm telling you. You are doing that to deceive nyame nkrofo. No tina ho. Hey, Jesus. Yes, in the spirit aba. Spirit tiliso, spirit waniase. Don't joke with the spirit of God. Na mo yesano. Kakra. Nyame bufu sompa. So if only God is there, if only, say nyame asia, mo amudi ni din se munu no. I'm telling you, mo nyina mo benya mo chefa. Sanya chomsem no, we should stop. Na sa mana Ghanaians should start condemning a man. Omu jaware na ye de ho. We know our rights. We know what we can do. Ya de ho no. Ghanaians should condemn those people. Wo ti wona akase ena na wade ni nyena. Wote ho na o pra no. Aka wan nkotena ho. Wo na akasa wo so de wote ho. Wo de na apra tetia aye se yi no. Bola so no. Krampo wote ho. Wo de asem impredua asam makoni ho. Meko eni ho ntiri ni ho. Enam kura ni wa wade ho kra wote ho. Wo see crucify obi. Joyce, I'm telling you today. Advise yourself. Awarijaye di obia nyame woni mu bia ni wo fo awarijaye so. Even your pastor. O pastor kura na wan ko hunhum no. He told you say Joyce, aware die. Awarijaye nye. Wo di nipa achi agya awade. Eden yakopon apa ho tuma wo nipam. Wo mu o megya awade association na o mpeso mo do koka ho no. You free emwaw. Unim de do anadwo o mo ye. Unim de do anadwo a san krofo na oba o mo ho na. Ye gya awade ye ma mema nhye so no. Guys, mane nyo de say aware after all. A man yepe, menya matre, strong boys. See that? You're still beautiful, you know that, man. You're still beautiful, you know it. But a ma, me na ne kan me abrewana na o. We kan abo me na na din. Oso oba wa bremu awade no. E se na hia o. Wadi 40 ekona. I say, o menu poso no eya bana. I say, who crying you know. That time now, your friend here to them. How now, says, I be many change our mobile. Ask them. Ask those with experience in life. Ask them. So, mommy. Ask those people. One more di. Sujadie. One more di. One more worry. Some old age, a 45 years ago. Ask them. They will tell you how important men are. And my Ghana pressure and your pressure. Oba, go back to your marriage. Dave Joy also will realize he has done greatest mistake in life. Or nipa and was he regret it. And yet more. Kwasia nkwa and nsesa na adwen kwasia and nsesa na adwen. Me, I'll be of a greater person in life. Say me who say Joyce blessing as I go back to the marriage. Upon what God has said to her. Joyce, eni nipa no achi. Sa so so achi no matie na. Say no man na ye o madwen say ye de divorce ye kunu. Don't be part of them. This is a piece of advice to you. I'm just reminding you. Where you carry me jumedi. I'm the bro, too much GH. Me din e de obo for Michael. Afie sana na. And Andy ni gina chiri echinchim camera. The chief editor, Frank. I'm out of here. God bless you.